Hello everyone and welcome to the Coffee Time Python. In this video I'll show you how you can improve your loops by using the enumerate function. Okay, so let's get started. Usually when you want to, for example, loop over the list and you want to show or get the current loop index, you would do something like this. So we have a winners list, and there you can find John, Elizabeth, Louis, and George, and probably this is the most common, I guess, or the easiest one you can do if you don't know the enumerate function. So you define the count before looping, and then for each loop step you first print current count and the winner, for example, in this case, and then you increase count by 1. So in the next loop step, it will be basically more than the previous one. So if we run this, you'll see that we have 0 John, 1 Elizabeth, 2 Louis, 3 George. But there is a better way in Python to do this. So what we can do is, let's get rid of this, and instead we do for I, comma winner, which is I will be our new index and winner will be a list element, and then we will use enumerate, and this is how you use it. You put a iterable first, which in our case is winners, and that's it. Or actually, sorry, that's not that it. Now we're good. It's much simpler, looks better, and basically does the same thing. So if you run this, you'll see the exact same output: 0 John, 1 Elizabeth, 2 Louis, 3 George. So one more time, we define our list. It can be tuple, set, any iterable you can imagine, and then the enumerate returns two values. The first value is I. In our case, we say it should be defined as I, but actually it's a current index, current loop step, starting from 0, of course, and the second one is current loop element. There is one more thing I will show you. If, for example, you want to start from 1 or from any other number instead of 0, you can define a start param. For example, if you wanted to show the I don't know, maybe what place that person was, something like this. For example, let me just show you place. It's not the best, but let's run it. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you wanted to start from, I don't know, maybe like 10, for example, that will still work. As you can see, it's 10, 11, 12, 13. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave comments if you want to see anything else for quick Python tips. See you next time.